I forgot my my microphone. Hold on. Oh my gosh, this wire is so long. Alright, let me test if I can hear myself with this. I'm gonna listen on my phone. See how this sounds. Alright. Looks good enough, I guess. Alright. We're doing the programming language interpreter backend, this time for the matrix stuff. To be honest though, I already have the double things. Alright. So an example program is like this, right? This is our matrix. Let M equal this. This is a 3x3 matrix, so is X. This is the dot product, this is the inverse. So what we're gonna do is let's make a new thing. Let's call it matrix.lala. Alright. I should probably zoom in on this. Okay. And then in matrix.lala, we're just gonna have that M equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, 9. And now we'll just print out the matrix M. We print it out just by giving the identifier. So in our interpreter, which has 9 errors, oh wait, what is this, 9 warnings? 13 warnings. Unused variable. Okay, it's just a bunch of unused variables. I don't really care. Here, we'll remove the context from anyhow, because right now I'm not even really doing any error handling, but I do need that. Alright. So when we're interpreting and we get an assignment, I pass the expression into eval assignment. And then we go to eval assignment, and here we have our vector of vectors of AST nodes. So really what's going on here, ooh, I could do something interesting right now actually. I just thought of this. In my linear algebra library code, what I have is, I don't need the portable SIMD stuff. Anyway, what I have for my matrix is I have a vector of x64s, but what I could do is could I? Technically, no. Do some crazy stuff. Well, what's the point, right? Well, there's no point. So instead, what we do What does my parser give? My parser gives, when I do my matrix, row dot into inner map, build AST from term, collect, integer, decimal, expression. Alright, whatever. Instead of all that, what I can do let's see. Say vector of vectors of AST nodes. Alright. What does my parser give? Is it really just, oh, it's just a vector of AST nodes? Why did I exit my parser? Yeah, it's just a vector of AST nodes, which could be either integers or floats. But I'm just going to convert everything into a float anyway. Let me turn on my fan. It's getting hot for while I'm talking. All right. So let's just start coding. I'm thinking too much, dog. So we're going to put our vector of vectors. We're going to get our length of the first vector, like the outermost one, and then the length of the innermost one, and that's going to be our matrix stuff. I might have to make a different thingy. Here, I'm going to do this for the matrix. And I'll say that. Can I do that? Oh! I want to do this. Can I do that? I can. I really don't use anyhow? Okay, whatever, fine. Alright. So let's just make a block here. And we're gonna say something like let height equal v dot len, let width equal v of 0 dot len. Alright, that looks good enough. Oh, let me just call it rows and columns. Okay. Now what I have to do, I'm going to pass v into another function, which is going to create the matrix. Let data equal we'll call the function construct matrix, and basically what this can do is, all we have to do is take v. Okay. Fn construct matrix, and it's gonna take v, which is a vec of AST nodes, and it's gonna return a matrix. For now, it'll return a matrix. Later, what we can do, return results of either a matrix or error if dims don't, or error. Yeah. Matrix. Boom. Okay. Why is this? Alright, this one. So let's just say let mat equal a vec of vex. I can't do it this way. Oopsie. Which is a vec f64 equal vec new. Okay. Can I make it with like a predefined size? Let's see, I'm gonna look that up right now. Create vector with predefined size rest. And I'll leave this here while I'm reading. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna say vec. Then I can say I'll just set everything equal to 0 for here rows of type usize, and then calls of type usize. And this is gonna take rows, calls. I don't have to compute things twice. Oh, well then this is just stupid. I can just not even bother doing that. And then I'll just do it up here. Rows times calls. Look at that. Boom. Shakalaka. Does this not work? Oh, boom. Yes, sir. And then what we can do is just return the matrix of rows, calls, data equals mat. Alright. Now for the fun part. For row in 0 dot dot rows, then for call in 0 dot dot calls, what we can do here is we're going to match on every single element, which is an AST node, no matter what it is. Oh shoot, well I'm not going to be allowing expressions, it's just going to be numbers in the matrix. So what we're going to say is match. Oh geez, was that on a match? Oh yeah. V of row, call. What's this? Mostly match from integer. Yeah, here. No, wait, that's not what I want. Oof. Here, I'll just fill in the match arms and I'll delete the ones that I don't want. I just want these two. Nothing else matters. Okay. Anything else, we're just going to do a panic for real quick and just say not allowed in matrix definition. Here, let's turn it into and then we can say here not allowed. Can I do that? I can't do that. Okay. I gotta do this, and then I say, or, there we go. Okay. So now if it's an integer or if it's a float, we're really gonna do nothing different, except for the integer I'm gonna cast it to a float. And so I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna say mat of row call, and we're gonna set it. Oh, gotta make this mutable. Equals. Oh, can I do like a let match or a match let x equal? Can I do that? Damn, I can't. Let me see. Let me look something up. While I'm looking it up, we leave Oppenheimer on the screen. Use match. Inside match statement Rust. Let's see. Assignment from a Rust match. Yes, that's what I want. Oh, I can't do that. No. It's not what I want. Alright, forget it. I'm just gonna retype it again. V row call as F64. Cannot index into a value of type F64. What? Huh? Oh, shoot. I. Then I just say I. Bro, what is wrong with me? I don't need those. I don't need those. Why is this giving me an issue? Cannot index into a value of F64? What are you talking about? I'm literally setting something inside a matrix. Oh! Row times calls plus call. Alright. It's gonna be pretty much the same thing here except no casting. And I like to just call this D instead of I. Since it's a double. You could call it F, doesn't really matter. And so then we construct the matrix. And then we're gonna match A and V because we're gonna put it inside our thing. K is gonna be ident.toString, and then V is gonna be the oh no, I made a couple mistakes here. Okay, the value is gonna be the matrix, so we can say lala type matrix data. Why am I dereferencing it here? Oh, I'm dereferencing that because I have a reference, but here it's not a reference. So we're good. Missing whatever. Why won't it let me quick fix it? Yeah, and then for now we're just gonna say okay. Just want to see if this works. What is going on right now? What is happening? Why do I have errors all over the place? Oh, I don't need that. Oh, what is going on? What? What's the quick fix here? What is happening? I don't need a semicolon here. I don't need one there. Use anyhow, there. I need the macro back. What is this? Rows, calls, oh. Yeah, I calculate the rows and calls over here. But then I don't need to pass them in here. Hey, thanks for the hearts, whoever's sending them. I don't know who's sending those. And I also have like a really long stream delay for some reason. Okay. Why am I getting an error here? Consider using a semicolon? Why? Why do I need to? Does that fix it? No. Oh, it does. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Oh, do I need... Oh, I do need a semicolon there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? What is happening? Quick fix. Okay, we're good. We're good. What is my one error? What is this? Cannot move out of index. Huh? Which does not include the copy trait. Do I sound exhausted? I don't know, man. I've been doing homework for quite a while now. I don't know why I don't know why I'm doing this right now. Yeah. Well, if I sound exhausted, I'm not. It's always grind time. You know what I'm saying? I'm over here grinding out this Rust code. I think if I put a reference here. Thank you, Matthew. Thank you. Yeah, and then if I just dereference this, and then if I just dereference this. Oh my gosh. I'm so good at this. Okay. So, we have our matrix thing here. Oh, do I have anything to print it out with? If I just do the identifier, or is it? I think it should be because, oh, I don't have the display for my matrix. Simple display for matrix. Here we go. Have this from before. There we go. What? Huh? What is happening? Am I supposed to keep that? What is going on? Oh, it's because I also have the index stuff here. I have all the way at the bottom my display, but I also have my index and index mutable. Oh shoot, wait a second. Oh no, I only need this. Okay. Boom. Then this has a quick fix. Boom. And I think I can actually... No, I don't know how to do that. I'm just going to leave these as separate. I thought there was a way I could have like a bunch of implications for the matrix, like inside one implication block. So like display would be here. It'd be all in one block. Like I wouldn't have two of these, IMPL, whatever. It doesn't matter. Let me move this up actually though, because I know it doesn't matter, but it just makes more sense to see the index first and then use it here. Oh, I forgot to do that again. If we go to main and we say I want to use matrix.lala, what happens? Ooh, thread main panic that not yet implemented. Line 48. We gotta bring back Oppenheimer for this one, boys. What is happening right now? How did I not implement something? Line 48. To do. What? Oh. I forgot to do that. Oh, wait. Here we go. I don't need that implication there. What I can do is put it here, do m.rows, m.col. I can just replace self with m. Hold on, what is happening? Why didn't it replace this one? Okay. And then I don't need this one, because this one's never actually being called. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got it. Oh my gosh, bro. I be making programming languages and shit. Oh my gosh. Bring him back, Oppenheimer. Get him back in here. Oh my goodness. Who am I? Hold on a second. Oppenheimer face. Bro, what did I just type? Close enough. Literally me. He's literally me. Oh my gosh. What is that image? It's Oppenheimer. Come on, dude. That was basically first try too, right? Because I just had to move my display trait down into my display trait for the Lala type stuff. Come on, bro. We're in here. Alright. Now, I kind of want to move all of these into the library. I did not use a lot of quick fixes, Matthew Thomas, okay? It wouldn't matter. It writes the code for me. Alright? Like, it fixes it for me. I know how to fix it, but why would I type that out if it can fix it for me? You know what I mean? Who's calling me? You know, it's like it's Oppenheimer. You know, I would hope that the guy who made the atomic bomb did not use quick fixes, okay? But my like extremely simple programming language is not an atomic bomb, okay? I mean, maybe one day. Maybe one day. Maybe my code will be used in the first Burt bomb. The code different. Alright. No time for celebrating. I low-key don't want 3 decimal places. I think it kind of looks ugly. I'm gonna leave it with 2. Let's see this shit run one more time. Oh my gosh. Ah. Let's add matrix backend kinda. Let's just push that bad boy. Yes sir. Yes sir, we're in here. Like, I could put all of my types in the library, but I don't know if I want to put them there right now and risk this whole thing breaking. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna do the dyadic operations. I want to get the dot product working right now. Just give me a second. Alright. I'm back. So yeah, we're gonna get the dot product working right now. And hopefully I can get that working and then rest for the rest of the night. I think we can do it. 10 minutes now. I'm wasting too much time. Okay, dyadic operation. Let's just put it in a block. And then we're gonna say match. Oh shoot, what am I gonna do here? Okay, so what I really need to do is actually just oh no, what is happening? I need to match the verb with something. Now what is this verb gonna do? Here, I'm using a quick fix. Oh no. It's just writing some code for me. Okay. So we're gonna leave the plus and the times alone. We're doing the dot product right now. Verb dot, and now I need to get this stuff out of the left hand side and the right hand side. So how does my parser actually do that? The left hand side is a box, right hand side is a box, but they're all AST nodes, which should be matrices. Oh no, wait, they should really, okay, they can either be Eval assignment? Whoa. Yeah, okay, this is an assignment, I guess. Let's see. The left-hand side, the right-hand side can either be identifiers or matrices. What is my AST node again? An identifier or matrix. Okay. So, here's what we're going to do. This is interesting. There's actually a couple ways I can do this right now. So, the first way I can do this is create a temporary... No, that wouldn't make any sense. I was just going to say create a temporary variable in the environment if it's like a literal matrix instead of an identifier. But that wouldn't make any sense to do. I don't need to do that. What instead I can do is create a temporary matrix in this program, not in the environment for Lala. And then... Okay, and then after I make the temporary matrix for Lala, what I can do is just execute the dot product on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. But these are boxes, and I have to remember how I do that. So Oppenheimer, while I see get element from box rust. Blah, 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 blah. Dereference the value. Is that literally it? Alright. Okay. Everything's okay. Let's figure this out. I'm psyching myself out, dog. I just need to start typing. So... Okay, no, I have to match on the left-hand side and the right-hand side for if they're identifiers or if they're matrices. So we're going to say match the dereferenced left-hand side, and now quick fix all of the cases that I can match on, please. Fill match arms. It's not going to be any of these, and I haven't done the actual like precedent stuff in my parser yet. I know how to do it, I just haven't had time to do it yet. Anything else, we'll just panic for now and say, oops. Okay. What is this? Consider dereferencing the boxed value. Oh, because first I dereference the reference and then I dereference the box. Okay. Interesting. Now, if it's an identifier, I have to get the matrix from there. So, here, let left side equal this, and then I'll just return ID. And so now I have to say env.get id.unwrap. Consider borrowing here. Okay, whatever. And then here, if it's like an actual matrix, M, we can just say we're going to return construct matrix M. and wrap it in the lala type. What is this saying to me? What? Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. This is found to be of type n% lala type. Expected. Yeah, I want a reference. I don't want the, I don't want to make a whole new thing. Arguments to this function are incorrect? What do you mean they're incorrect? Oh, this needs a reference. What? Ooh, interesting. Can I say 2 owned? No. Can I dereference this? No, I can't. This is interesting. So if I reference the lala type, then this needs to be a borrowed value. Alright, what's the other possible option? It says create a reference. Add a reference. Okay, it's the same exact thing. Why is this giving me an issue now? Wow, this is horrible. This is really, really bad. Oof. How can I make this? Like, this is the hardest part about using Rust, figuring out what this stuff means. Okay, so it's saying that it's going to be freed at the end and not be alive long enough. Consider using a let binding to create a longer lived variable. So this creates a temporary value which is freed while still in use. Oh my gosh, how do I fix this, dude? It's freed at the end of this statement. Borrow later stored here. Fine. Let temp equal this. Okay. And can I just say temp? No, it's not going to let me do that. Consider using a let binder to create a longer lived variable. Can I do that? And then can I say and temp? No. I don't want to use like a box for this. Alright, so what is happening here? I'm gonna look this up. Consider using a let binding to create a longer lived value. Stack Overflow. I don't know what to do, man. I feel like Oppenheimer right now. This is pretty bad. And here. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not listening to that anymore. What I need to do, like, this is fine. My dereferencing is fine. Do I just create a temporary thing in the environment? You know what, for now we're just gonna leave that like that. And, oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna keep using the quick fixes. Oh my gosh. That's not the issue. What is happening? I think this was just a mistake, honestly. I should have done this in C++. I'd be done. The language would be fully functional by now. LHS. Where does that work? Bro, what is going on? What is happening? I lost 2 viewers right now, man. I was at 5, now I'm at 3. Because I can't figure this out. Thank you for sticking around, though, whoever's still here. So the double dereference. Should I, like, make this... Oh my gosh. What is happening? Can I do that? No, I can't. Damn, this is kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. Do I really need these to be boxes? Can I... What is happening here? Can I just say LHS.deref? Forgot that was a thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it works. What about this? Alright, now that's still gonna give me an issue. Whatever, I don't care. The left side thing works. Okay. Let's copy this and say right side. I forgot the deref function was a thing. RHS. I don't. There we go. ID. Okay. And now let's go up here. I have a dot product here. That's the determinant. Dot. Here we go. And then I'll put it here for my matrix. I guess I have to also put in the new function here. Man, my computer is lagging right now. That's crazy. Alright. I need to get the index mutable traits. So happy I wrote all these like 3 months ago. Quick fix to import it. Yes, sirski. Okay, so now I can just say left side dot right side. Okay. Where am I? And then we're gonna say left side dot. Oh no. Because these are Lala types, which means they're either matrices or... No, wait, these should all just be matrices. So I should be able to say... Let's... Can I say that? Can I? Quick fix? No. Oh man. Alright, I have references to my Lala types, which appear, where are they? Integer, matrix, or double. How do I get it out of the Lala type? How do I extract something from an enum? Do you access enum values in Rust? So I think if I say let Lala type matrix L equal left side, can I do this? left side. Why can't I do this? So whatever, I have to do like a nested match, unfortunately. Fill match arms. Integer. If I'm doing anything other than a matrix here, we got some issues. Panic. Not allowed. Here, M. Let's just return M. Alright. And so we put that here. I'm starting to get like delusional right now. I don't even think I know what's happening really. So if I move that over here, and so then left side is a matrix reference, so I can just say that left side. No, I can just return left side dot right side. Oh no, wait. And then I have to put that in the environment with this identifier. Oh my gosh. Match env dot insert ident dot toString, and then move this over here. Wow. Okay. And then if I match on this, I don't want to print anything else out. Huh? Instead of using a semicolon, what if I just don't want to return it there? Okay. And what's this? Try wrapping it in this. Huh? Clone? What is going on? Stop, please. Oh. Why did I have to do that? Oh, because I was putting in like a raw matrix, like my raw matrix. I wasn't putting in the Lala type matrix. Okay. So now if I go into here, and then I say let n equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I get the dot product calculator here, looking for a specific website. It's this one. 3x3 and 3x3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then if I go here and I enter the same matrix, I used to be able to do this in my head, because this is like a easy dot product. Wait, no it's not. I'm thinking of something else. I don't think I'd be able to do that in my head. Alright, so this is what we're going to be looking for. So let x equal m at n, right? Because that is my dot product thing, right? Yeah. Then just put x out. So we got 30, 36, 42. This looks right. That looks right. That looks right. Oh my goodness. It took a minute. It took a minute, but we got there. We got there for show. Oh man. Now I have to figure out how I can do it if I want to like do the dot product of two literal matrices instead of doing it with the identifiers. But that's enough for tonight. Wow. I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. And then I can move this into its own function so that way I can reuse it here. I was putting it in the assignment function. I shouldn't be doing that. That's okay, that's a problem for another day. Let me put this here. Move dyadic stuff into eval dyadic operation. To reuse here. Alright. Well, that's it for tonight's stream. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I did. I had fun. But yeah. I think the next live stream will be cleaning up the code, because I can definitely put all my matrix stuff in its own library, like its own Rust file actually, and then put them in the library, like mod it or whatever, and then... Oh wait, I had stuff in here! Oh! I gotta figure that out. I don't remember what I did. I have no idea what's going on anymore. I'm lost. But yeah. This is pretty cool. We got our language working, actually. Now, what other things do I have to implement in my... Where is it? My pest file. I've got the rank stuff, the inverse, row reduce echelon form, transpose, and then like all that stuff is fine. And I have all those things in here. Like I have the row reduce echelon form, I have the cofactor, I have the add, I have the determinant, the transpose, the trace, the inverse. I've got all this stuff. Eventually, I'm gonna use the SIMD so that way it can go fast. It should be 4 times faster, theoretically, right? Since I'm using 4 lanes. And the last time I worked on this was July 4th, actually. I remember because I was watching the fireworks while I was working on this. And, I was able to get the SIMD 4 lanes to work on, like, small matrices, for example. Like, let me see. It should still be in my main function here. And I think I was able to do it on this. I don't remember. I was having issues though. It wasn't working. Oh no! I was able to let it work when I was using 2 lanes, but using 4 lanes messed it up for some reason, and I still haven't figured out why. But I will eventually. Yeah, it was something with this. Like, I'm pretty sure I was doing my offsets correctly, but it doesn't really matter. We got our stuff working. That's all that matters. Alright. Peace out, everybody.